Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is change in supply. See, change in supply refers to increase or decrease in quantity supplied of a commodity in response to change in other determinants of supply other than price of the same commodity. So it refers to shift in supply curve forward shift or backward shift. So it refers to shift in supply curve forward shift or backward shift. Now, shift in supply curve. See, when supply of a commodity changes due to the factors other than its own price, such as change in expectations, state of technology, or goal of the firm, then it's called shift in supply curve. When due to change in factors other than price, supply falls, it's called decrease in supply. And when supply rises, it's called increase in supply. Now, increase in supply. See, shift in the supply curve is shown by increase in supply or decrease in supply. See, an increase in increase in supply occurs when more is supplied at the existing price. Increase in supply causes a forward shift in supply curve. Increase in supply is shown in table C. Shown on table C. If you have a look at this table, it shows that initially 20 units of commodity are supplied at the price of rupees 10 per unit. Due to some other factors, now 30 units are supplied at the same price. This shows the increase in supply. Now I will show you this with the help of figure. Increase in supply is shown in this figure. You see, this figure shows that at the existing price of rupees 10, quantity supplied increases from 20 units to 30 units of the commodity. Accordingly, supply curve shift forwards. Here it shows S1 is the first supply curve, second supply curve is S2. This arrow shows the shift in supply curve from S1 to S2. So supply curve shifts forward from S1 to S2. The producer shifts from point A on the old supply curve to the point B on the new supply curve. This is the increase in supply. Now, decrease in supply. You see, decrease in supply occurs when less is supplied at the existing price. Decrease in supply causes a backward shift in the supply curve, and decrease in supply is shown in table D. So, if you have a look at this table D shows that initially 30 units of the commodity are supplied at the price of rupees 10 per unit. Due to some other factors, now 20 units are supplied at the same price. Now I will show you this decrease in supply. This shows the decrease in supply. Now I will show you this decrease in supply with the help of figure. You see, this figure D, it shows the decrease in supply. Y-axis shows the price in rupees, x-axis shows the quantity in units. Now, this figure D shows that at the existing price of the rupees 10, the quantity supplied decreases from 30 units to 20 units of the commodity. Accordingly, supply curve shift backwards. Supply curve shift backwards from S1 to S2. The producer shifts from point A to point A on the old supply curve to the point B on the new supply curve. This shows the decrease in supply curve. And here we can say that supply curve shifts backwards. Now you studied the change in supply and the shift in the supply curve, or you can say increase and decrease in supply. We have learned today that increase in supply occurs when quantity supplied increase at the existing price of the commodity, and diagrammatically it means a forward shift in the supply curve. On the other hand, decrease in supply occurs when quantity supplied decreases at the existing price of the commodity, and diagrammatically it means backward shift in supply curve. So both increase and decrease in supply are caused by factors other than own price of the commodity. Thank you very much.